Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to talk about the Federal Reserve Fed. They have a lot of secrets they don't want you to know about how they work, why the value of the dollar doesn't matter, and why they don't want you to get into cryptocurrency because they know that will bring down the Fed. But there's a lot of really important information about the money cycle that we'll be sure to share, which will bring an insanely huge amount of volume to the whole crypto market. But XRP has a lot more to gain than almost every other top 100 cryptocurrency right now. This movie will show you exactly why that is the case. However, please click the like button to make sure that everyone sees this. Now let's start. So let's start with a very well-kept secret, all right? This graph shows how much the dollar has been worth since 1913. You may be asking why I'm showing you this. Well, in 1913, a dollar was worth $1. Today, it's only worth 5 cents. Now, in the present day, it seems worth about 3 cents rather than 50 cents. It is true that the dollar loses about half of its value every 10 to 20 years. There have been some crazy times in history, though. For example, the Federal Reserve was founded in 1913, and the dollar was worth $1, right? But that same dollar was worth only half as much in 1923, which was only 10 years after it was first made. Then, in 1933, the FDDR made it illegal to own a gold coin, medal, or certificate. After that, the US dollar has only gone downhill since then. A lot of dollar printing, also known as quantitative easing, has happened over the years, but it has only helped one group. And that's the US government, because they buy bonds and do many other things. With their extra money that help them beat other governments around the world in terms of gross domestic product, general petroleum stocks, and other things. And of course, they rule every other market too, because the US is the world's central bank and everyone uses the same currency backed by the US dollar. For me, this is the most powerful proof that the Federal Reserve is not your friend and is no longer working for the people. So that really makes us wonder what else we can do, right? A lot of people think Bitcoin is a good choice, and I agree. I see Bitcoin as a great strategic reserve asset and a great way to keep value. In a way, I see it as digital gold, but I think XRP is much better because it can do more. In other words, XRP can act just like the US dollar in every way, plus some. You take that into account along with the fact that it's not hyperinflationary and losing value every 10 years like this. There's really no reason not to do it, in my opinion. I actually believe it would be silly not to. And there is a lot of energy in the XRP community right now because of the news from the Federal Reserve. A lot of people in the community have been talking about the Golden Cross scenario, and it looks like we're about to face it. Now, if you make the XRP charts bigger, you'll see 2021 again. You also look at the Golden Cross and draw lines along the bottom and the top. It does look like we are going to have another big rise very soon. And each person has a little something different. Some completely crazy people think that XRP will reach $246 in 2025. That's their price goal and where they think this is going. As a more realistic person, I believe that XRP will be worth around $10 per coin. That should still be exciting for you guys, though. The magic will begin in the second quarter of 2025, and you can thank the Federal Reserve for that because they're making it harder to buy things with dollars and forcing people to look for alternatives. That's good for us because we're the other option. The bank can use us. All banks need the features that we offer. We can get rid of SWIFT. Oh, by the way, we're a payment tool. Our tools are decentralized and run on a blockchain. Our value is like make a coin and a stock at the same time, except that we're not a safety. Don't care about USEC. Okay, that's pretty cool. Taking all of that into account, you also add and talk about how it's also a yield farming method where you have AM pools and can make a crazy amount of money. It seems like a no-brainer to me. Once more, I want to stress that we have actually bought too much right now. At the moment, XRP has been bought too much. Are we going to just fly straight to the moon? No, check out the stochastic RSI, guys. The price has been bought too much again. In the short run, it makes sense to sell short XRP. Once the price corrects itself and we reach the bottom, we can start buying again, and we can look forward to some really good price momentum. Getting out of this pattern of low lows and low highs is very likely to happen. And as soon as we do that, XRP will go up to 66, 68, and even more cents. We recently hit a high point of 64 cents, and I'm looking forward to breaking through at that price. Once we do, things will go through the roof. Here's the deal: if you want to play for the short term, now is a great time to go short on XRP. Stay tuned, guys. Also, make sure you sign up for Margix through my link. That way, you'll be able to enter this awesome trade contest that is still going on. Okay, so guys, don't trust the Federal Reserve. Sign up down below and open that short. And this is the point I need to make again, because I think a lot of people have had it. Not having high hopes or demands that can't be met. Lots of people think that now that the Fed lowered rates by 50 basis points, It's time for the absolute moonshot launch. But I want to push you to do some work at home. If you look at the past, you can see what has happened every time the Fed lowered rates for the first time. Also, our interest rate is still very high. The markets move around a little. There is some bullish sentiment today, but the real price action won't start until multiple rate drops. It won't happen right away. You know what? I think we all want it to go to the moon right away. That's not how things work, right? It's not true. So please be patient and don't open long positions without any technical knowledge. Take a look at the past, okay? Take a look at what has happened before. I've made films of it for you. Some of you still don't believe me, but it's not going to happen when you think it will. When you don't expect it, it always does. It always happens when you've given up hope because you've been waiting so long and listening to people who don't know what they're talking about for so long. After that, the market should go crazy, right? Let me tell you something, 90% of the people in this room don't know what they're talking about. Keep that person close for dear life once you find them. They'll take you so far. And the people who taught me well taught me something truly amazing about life. I'm going to show you my messy screen, but this is from The Smart Investor, okay? It's a great book. First, you will probably lose your money if you bet on something. Second, you should buy when most people, including experts, are negative and sell when they are positive. Third is to look into it first, then spend. I promise you that those 3 quotes will change your life, especially the one that says invest, then investigate, the last one. You need to look at how prices have changed in the past. You don't need to guess. You need to get hard facts and use it. The fact that the stock market has been open for a long time is a good thing. The stock market has been open for a while. Crypto has only been around for a short time, like 20 days, right? You don't know what to expect either, right? When Bitcoin first came out, it was worth less than $1. That's not where we are now, though. There is a lot of background in this market, so look into it. Learn what you can. The Federal Reserve has been around for a while. I'll try to show you all of that in all of my movies. I showed you their past, and all I can say is that they've lost value. I don't. We hold dollars, okay? I think that's the most important thing we can learn. Invest in an asset class that has a strong underlying background and won't cause hyperinflation. Also, I believe that is a great lesson. Third, it's XRP, come on, you should look into things on your own and then put your own money into them, right? That being said, guys, if you're going to trade, make sure you sign up for Margex using my link. Make sure you open that short position as soon as possible if you want to. There isn't going to be another chance like this for long. If you sign up and trade using my link, you'll automatically be put into my trading competition. You will be able to get prizes from a huge pool. Also, I want you all to join my Discord, so please do that. You can use all of my trades if you decide to join. Anyone can join my VIP channel for free. After that, all you have to do is sign up for Margex again. So let's get that out of the way. That being said, guys, if you liked the video, hit the like button, leave a review, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.